Now let me introduce our machine. It's a multi-function punching machine. As we can see how it looks. The machine it measures 1.2 meters long and 1.5 meters wide. In the machine, the computer can be folded. It's a cabinet. The dust can be collected in it. It can be used to mass production, manufacturing, and the molds can be fixed in it. The leather was fixed in the mold and be punched holes. And the leather can be punched holes without cutting the leather into pieces. It's a seat of the Tesla Model 3. We can punch the holes in the seat without cutting it into pieces. And we'll demonstrate. We can see the interface of the machine. It has multiple functions like the automobile operation and many other functions. Let me demonstrate automobile operation. I put the leather into the machine and fix it. It's made of cotton. Now we start create an area. Now we can punch the holes and avoid the lines. For example, I want to punch these areas. Now I start to avoid the lines. Now let me demonstrate it. Now we can see in the screen, we have choose the area. And we have two other lines to avoid. And how to demonstrate, I'll show you. And choose a no punching area. And create a line. It can be adjusted according to your request. We set the line. Likewise, we use the control panel to control the machine. Like we can see, the blue area is the lines we need to avoid. We can preview. Now it has all holes in it. Now start it. Now we can see the holes. Now I'll teach you how it works. We select these 4 points and the machine set it into an area. And we add 2 lines to avoid. The line is 9 mm wide. Center around the line. Now I'll demonstrate another new function. Likewise, we create a new area. Now I want to punch the holes in the 2 areas aside and avoid the center area. First, set an area. Now we can see the area has formed in the computer. And point the button no punching and create a new area and choose a new area. And I arrange this area to avoid. Now we can see in the screen, we can have a preview. The central area has been avoided. Now start it. Now as we can see, we have avoided the area. The mechanism of the machine is very easy. Now let me demonstrate how we can punch another pattern. Return and click this pattern. And likewise create a new area. And set an area we want to punch. and lead in the pattern. Now I choose draw the lines and punch the holes both. Now I stop it. Like we can see, it started to punch the holes. Now I change the models of its mechanism of punching holes. We have 4 models of punching holes. Now I choose the second one. Then the machine will punch the holes according to the pattern. And now I cancel drawing the lines, so it only punches the holes. Started. Now the job has been done. I returned the machine. Let me show you. As we can see, the holes also has been punched through the cotton behind the leather. Now let me demonstrate a new function which is invented by us. It's a new and unique function. That is, we can punch the holes in the seat of the automobile without cutting them into pieces. And we also can punch the patterns in the seat. Now let me demonstrate it. First, put a piece of paper on the machine. Then we can put the seat on the machine and wrap empty under the leather. After we wrap the seat on the machine, we should fix it. Now I will punch the holes in these 2 areas and punch the pattern in the first one. When we punch the holes, we can cancel the pen. If we don't remove the pen, it will write on the leather and create a new area in the computer. Use the control panel to set the area. Now I have chosen the area we need to punch the holes and lead the pattern in the computer. We have chosen the pattern and then started. Now we can see we have punched holes in the up part of the area. Now we punch holes in the next part. Punch button automobile operation and create a new area. And then circle the area you want to punch. Now we should set the area and the numbers of the holes we want to punch. And then start it. Now we can see the job is done. Let me show you. As we can see, the up area is a simple holes, and the second area is the pattern. As we can see the back, and this machine also offers the function like multi-diameter aperture. Create a new area in the computer. I have set the area and it can be changed at your request. And choose the pattern. As you can see, it's a multiple diameter aperture. We can see the numbers in this area, like the diameter. Now I have used the stitches of 1 millimeter diameter and close the 1.5 millimeter and 2 millimeter stitches. And we had different punching models. And started. Now we have punched the machine, punched the holes with the 1 millimeter stitches. Now I change to the 2 millimeter stitches. Now I have changed the stitches. We should choose according information. Now we have punched the holes with these stitches and we change another one. We choose the information of 2 millimeter stitches and then start it. Now let me show you. As we can see,